nos decimos hola. Yo estoy bien y espero que tú también. Hello, hello, we say hello to each other. I'm doing fine and I hope you're doing too. Hola niños y niñas, I miss you all. I hope you're doing good for mommy and daddy. Now I'll be doing some videos so you can practice some Spanish at home. And I hope you can send me some pictures and videos of yourselves practicing at home. Mommies and daddies, you can email me at spanish@kidsexpress.com if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy the activities and the videos that I will be sharing with you on a weekly basis. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you soon. Adios. Hola, Sofia.
Hola.
We're going to sing our Spanish song, Cabeza, Hombros, Rodillas, Pies. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Ready, Sofia? Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Ojos, orejas, boca y nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Let's do it lento. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Ojos, orejas, boca y nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. And let's do it rápido. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Ojos, orejas, boca y nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies. Rodillas, pies. Muy bien, Sofia. Now let's show our friends what we did here. I drew Sofia, well, a silhouette of Sofia. We did la cabeza, los ojos, la nariz, la boca, el pelo, los brazos, las manos, la barriga, las piernas. Sofia, out of the way, thank you. Los pies. So you can practice at home. You can make a silhouette of yourself, your siblings, anybody at home, outside, and the ones that already know how to write, maybe they can practice la cabeza, el pelo, los hombros, las manos, la barriga, los pies, las piernas. Gracias, Sofía. Say adiós.
Adiós.